Hi, Ellie here. In this video, we're going to go through the best way to get impressive pizza cooking results from the Ninja Woodfire 8-in-1 pizza oven. Let's do it. You will need to remove the cooking tray it comes with from the oven and just have the pizza stone in for your pizza cook. Turn the stone over before you heat up the oven. This will ensure that the debris on the other side of the stone burns off as you cook your pizza. Next, set up your pizza oven. There are many pizza option settings on this oven, but I always set it to the Artisan setting. It gives me the best cook for my pizza. It cooks at the highest temperature level. So once you've set it to Artisan, it'll preheat the oven. As it's preheating, you don't need to open the door. The oven will tell you when it's ready. It'll beep and say, add food. When the beep goes off and it says add food, I keep the oven heating up for a bit longer to ensure that I get the hottest temperature on the stone. So I leave it for another 10 to maybe 15 minutes. You don't have to do that, but it does ensure that the stone really gets hot inside, which will be better for your pizza cook. There's an option to add wood fire pellets to the pizza cook, but in my opinion, the pizza cooks too fast to benefit from that. So I don't use the wood pellets for pizza cooking, but I do use it for smoking meat, and it does that really well. You can check out the videos I've made of smoking meat in the link above and below. Next, you'll need to use a pizza peel. 12-inch peel will be fine. I use a wooden pizza peel for launching the pizza into the oven, and I use a metal peel for removing the pizza from the oven. So once the oven is ready, and that'll be about 10 minutes after the add food beep has gone off for me, you will need to now check the stone temperature just to make sure it's got hotter than 370 degrees Celsius. So you will need to use a laser thermometer to do that. Check the stone temperature in the center and make sure it's gone hotter than 370 degrees Celsius. It depends how long you've had your oven on. The longer the oven stays on, the hotter that stone will get, but it will reach a maximum temperature. And the maximum temperature I've ever got on this stone is 420 degrees Celsius. So once you're happy with the stone temperature, then you are ready to launch your pizza into the oven. I use a wooden peel for this. I launch my pizza into the oven and then I shut the door quickly. There's no glass door, so you can't see your pizza cooking, but that doesn't matter. This oven is one of the easiest ovens to cook in I've ever used. All you do is launch your pizza in, shut the door and leave it. You don't need to turn your pizza. This oven will cook it all the way around, and the bottom and the top. I leave the pizza in the oven for 100 seconds. That's 1 minute and 40 seconds. I watch the timer on the clock, and as soon as it hits 100 seconds, I remove it. This oven is so easy to use and is super for beginners. You may need to adjust that time accordingly, but 1 minute 40 seems to be my magic time spot. So I remove the pizza after that time. I don't check on it whilst it's cooking during that time, because that will release the heat from the oven. And then at spot on 100 seconds, I remove the pizza and it's cooked. It's cooked all around, it's cooked on the base, and it's cooked on the top. This is so easy to do. It's really, really simple and a really easy pizza oven to use. If you are new to pizza cooking, this oven just makes things so simple and easy. And the quality is there. The pizza is superbly cooked. I can't fault this oven for cooking pizza at all. The stone is nice and thick and it retains the heat well. If you are thinking then of cooking more pizza in this oven, just close the door quickly after you've removed your pizza with your metal peel. Shut the door, keep the oven going, don't turn it off. It'll get hot again to the temperature and let you know when it's ready, and it will beep. So once it's beeped, you are then ready to launch your second pizza into the oven. That's again another easy thing. You don't have to worry. The oven will beep when it's ready and you just launch your pizza in. You can check the stone again like you did for the first one. And you just keep doing that for every pizza that you cook. The great thing about this pizza oven is that you will get consistent outcomes and you will get very impressive pizza from each cook. It's amazing how this oven cooks the pizza base so well at a lower stone temperature. The fact that this pizza has got a base cook at 380 degrees Celsius is amazing. I don't know how it does it, it just does. And the fact is, I am not using dough that has sugar or oil, so I'm not helping it along at all. I don't put sugar in my dough, I don't put oil in my dough. It's just flour, water, yeast and salt. So the fact that this oven can just cook a pizza base at a lower temperature like that as well is pretty amazing. If you are interested in electric pizza ovens, check out my Volt 12 and Ninja oven playlist, linked above and below. So it's really easy to cook pizza in this oven to get impressive results without even turning your pizza. You just launch it in with your wooden peel, you wait 100 seconds, you remove it with a metal peel and you're done. And then you close the door quickly and it's ready for your next cook when it beeps. What could be easier than that? Perfect for fantastic summer pizza party cooking. I never thought electric pizza ovens would be able to cook pizza this good. So impressed with them now. Technology has improved, the ovens have improved over the last few years, and I'm really happy cooking in electric pizza ovens now. I hope you found this video useful. Please let me know in the comments below if you have a Ninja Woodfire oven and how your pizza cooking experiences have been. If you've got any questions about this oven, please let me know in the comments below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!